Should we believe stated USCIS processing times? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office in St. Louis, Missouri. I was on vacation last week in Costa Rica with the family, tried to stay off email and tried to stay off social media for the most part. I was pretty successful, was unplugged, recharged, and I'm back to work, back shooting some videos for all of you. And this video comes by request. So you hear me at the end of my videos asking that if you have a video that you want me to shoot or a question you want me to answer, that you just need to email us at info@hackinglawpractice.com and I can do it. Now this one came through the Facebook group, and we had a member of the Immigrant Home Facebook group who was sort of pushing back on me about processing times. And what do I mean by that? Well, she has some kind of pending case, and the case has been pending for a while, and she keeps looking at the processing times for all the service centers, all the individual field offices, and she's getting sort of frustrated because she feels that her case is beyond the processing times that are stated by USCIS. Here's a little tip. USCIS processing times, stated processing times, are totally bogus. They don't mean anything. USCIS decides cases that are 2 months old that should take 10 months, and they drag on cases for 2 years that should take 3 months. So they pick and choose which cases they decide. They pick and choose which cases they set for interview. We had some cases that are set for interview after just a few months pending, and we have cases that are pending for years. And we have reasons that we believe that exist. We think they are discriminatory, that they pick and choose those cases that they want to process. We think that they pick on people from certain countries, that they go after people with certain backgrounds a little harder. And the long and the short of it is, you can't put any stock, don't waste any time thinking about processing times. We don't do it in our office. We don't tell our clients to do it. We don't spend much time doing it. We did have a client who's very resourceful, and he actually wrote a computer script where he could keep track of, by case numbers, what cases were being processed. And I think that's okay. There's nothing wrong with doing it. I just think that overall, if you spend all your time looking at the USCIS processing data every day, you're going to bang your head on the wall. You're going to go crazy. You're going to make yourself frustrated. So what we tell people is, we file the strongest case that we can. We'll be ready whenever they ask for us, but on a day-to-day basis, you don't want to be riding that emotional roller coaster. Oh my God, my friend's case got decided. Oh my God, I see cases in California are going faster. Can I transfer my case out there? No, you can't. Just let the process go. Let the process go through the process. Let the process go through the process. That's good advice. What I mean by that is, let things take their natural course. Don't feel all worked up. Some of our best clients are the ones that are just chill, just waiting. They know they're going to get their benefit. And that's how you should be. You should feel, I filed my strongest case. I've got my work card in most cases if I'm waiting on that green card, or I've already have my green card and I'm waiting on my citizenship. Yeah, it's great to get the next immigration benefit. And yeah, we always tell people to do that. But at the end of the day, your life's not going to change that much. And it's just not worth the heartache and the headache of banging your head on the wall trying to figure out what's going on in all these other cases. Every case is unique. I do believe that USCIS is being unfair in which cases they process, but at the end of the day, you can't control that. And you could spend 2 hours or 3 hours on the phone with USCIS trying to get some answers, but you're just going to drive yourself insane. So unless your case is really, really far gone and it's time to sue, that's a whole other thing. If your case is taken abnormally long, extra long, years long, then you're going to talk about suing USCIS. But for now, I'm just talking about run-of-the-mill cases where people are getting impatient. It's okay to be impatient, but at the end of the day, you're just giving away your power to USCIS. You're giving away control of your life and your happiness to an agency that could care less, that's built for bureaucracy, that's built to slow things down. And especially now, in this climate that we live in, where they want to just deny everything, delay everything, you're going to kill yourself if you keep spending all your time thinking about this. So leave that to us. Just wait for the processing times to run their course. Your case is going to get approved if you filed a good one, and that's all you need to know. You don't need to worry about it. If you have questions about your processing times, or don't call us because we don't want to talk about processing times. If you want to talk about your case, we're happy to do it, but we're not going to go and try to make things go faster. All these requests we get for expediting things, most of those go by the wayside, most of those get denied, and so you just got to file the strongest case possible and let the chips fall where they may.